Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Pay not working on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and your Apple Pay is not working, so let's fix out all our the issues on your Apple Pay. So the very first some of issues of your Apple Pay might help due to a poor and unstable network connection. So you have to try to make or check your network connection. So very first you have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings, and then you have to go to your settings app, go for general, go for software updates, and you have to check if there are any pending software updates. You have to try to update that, then go back, go for VPN device management, select VPN, and if you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that because your VPN affect location based contents. And once you have disabled your VPN, you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If you're still facing the same issue, open your settings again, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings, it will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after doing that, all of your network issue will be fixed, or if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to contact with Apple support team. So now to do that, you have to open Apple Support app, or you can also use your browser or look for Apple Support.lab. Then open your or select your iPhone from here, select subscriptions and purchases, and now you have to select any issue relating to your problem. For example, I'm going to select unable to purchase, and then you just have to select get more help, select call us. Now you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.